NextGear Capital Auto Sales Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume car financing for dealerships is straightforward. But NextGear Capital offers a tailored lending solution specifically designed for auto dealers. NextGear provides floor plan financing, allowing dealerships to purchase inventory without tying up capital. One standout feature is flexible credit limits and fast funding, which helps dealers keep popular models in stock and respond to market demand quickly. Most people assume dealer financing is rigid. The surprising truth is NextGear offers online account management, real-time reporting, and automated payment options. Dealers can track inventory financing, set alerts, and optimize cash flow without manual bookkeeping. Another advantage is customer support. NextGear provides dedicated account managers, educational resources, and market insights to help dealers make informed purchasing decisions. This proactive support can reduce financial risk and improve profitability. However, there are considerations. Interest rates may vary depending on creditworthiness and market conditions, and smaller dealerships may need to meet certain eligibility criteria. Dealers should carefully review contract terms before committing. In conclusion, NextGear Capital is ideal for auto dealers seeking flexible, efficient financing solutions with robust online tools and personalized support. Its combination of funding options and operational visibility can significantly improve dealership management. Subscribe for more honest automotive finance reviews before choosing your next floor plan lender.